Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites so you avoid wasted steps. First, check settings about phone to note Android version and model. This matters because menus differ. Once done, charge the phone above 20% and remove any cases or magnetic mounts that might cause power button pressure or contact issues. Make a quick backup of photos and contacts before you change power or developer options, because some fixes require reboots or factory resets, and you want your data safe. Now you run diagnostic steps to pinpoint the cause. First, test the power button. Press firmly, wiggle gently, and listen for a tactile click. Swap to a different grip to eliminate false contacts. Next, boot into safe mode to see if a downloaded app forces shutdown. This isolates system from user apps. Then review battery settings, look at battery usage, disable aggressive background limits, or adaptive battery for testing, because software power management often turns devices off to save energy. Finish by applying targeted fixes so the phone stops turning off. Clear the cache partition or uninstall any app installed right before shutdowns, then update the system and all apps to eliminate known bugs. If the issue persists after software steps, perform a factory reset as a last software resort. Make sure your backup is current. Finally, if reboots, abnormal battery drain or swelling continue, check battery health or take the phone to authorized service, because hardware faults often require professional repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.